everyone can see my screen. So one of the problems we've been trying to solve here at Token Metrics is wealth creation. So according to eToro, which is a famous platform in the crypto space, they also have stocks and equities. But basically, they've said that 80% of traders lose money and quit within 2 years. That's 2 years. I mean, these are basically the customers. And if you go to other exchanges, this applies everywhere, whether it's Binance, whether it's Coinbase, doesn't matter whether it's in crypto or even in equities. Essentially, traders get wrecked and quit and give up within 2 years. Why is that a big deal? Because if we want people to get into crypto, we have to onboard them and keep them in crypto. If people are getting into crypto and getting wrecked, they won't come back. And the time frame for that is 2 years. And one of the reasons why people get wrecked is that they're not making money. They're competing against professionals. They're competing against the top hedge funds who have all the money in the world, right? So here, let me bring this up here again. So this is a study. So this is the hedge fund report for 2018 done by PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. But anyway, in 2018, Bitcoin dropped over 72%. Bitcoin dropped 72%. Yet quant funds still made money. Quant funds, quantitative hedge funds that use machine learning, AI, and mathematical models to invest in crypto made the most money. They made 8%. In a year when everyone else lost 72% just hodling Bitcoin. So this is why retail investors lose money, because they're competing against quant funds and hedge funds who have all the money in the world. So here at Token Metrics, we've been trying to solve this same challenge and problem that the average retail investor and trader is facing. We're getting technologies and tools that are being used by quant funds and making them available to retail investors and traders. So for the first time in history, you can go to our platform and use the same technology that these quant funds used to make money back in 2018. We're making this available to everyone globally, right? So similar to how my spreadsheet helped take people and really give them financial independence, we're doing the same thing because the game has changed since 2017. For those who've been following us since 2017 days, that was a great time, but the times have changed. And here at Token Metrics, we've evolved because we know that AI is the future. So we've been working on just this, working on creating a new grade that can help people make money in crypto and make it fully automated as a platform. That's what the new Token Metrics is about. In a way, we're trying to make crypto 100x again. All right, Bill, any comments on that?
Yes. So in equities, quant investing is almost a given on the institutional side. And quant investing was made famous by QE. The quantitative metrics started to work better than human analysts during the QE period. How do I know that? Well, I was the human analyst that was outdone by the quantitative models. And lo and behold, as we're launching the quant grade, we have a news event that Janet Yellen, who never met a dollar she didn't want to print and print twice, has just been named Treasury Secretary. Yes, folks.
Oh, wow.
They just put the person who hit the QE button breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snack time in charge of the Treasury. Okay. So is now a good time to be in crypto and be a retail investor and get access to the tools that institutions used to build a fortune in equities during the QE era. So let's get that smile on her face, on your face, because you are right on time. You are not too early and you are not too late. The time is now.
All right. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Bill. Yeah, I mean, wow, that's They just want to print money to infinity and beyond. I mean, so think about this. All this money now is going to flow into crypto, because if they keep on printing money, where's the money going? It's going to crypto. Crypto is now, as Bill mentioned earlier in the past, one of the capital markets of the world. And all this money comes into crypto. People need to efficiently allocate this capital in crypto. And if they're competing against quant funds, right, how do you compete against quant funds? Token Metrics and the revamping of everything we've done, right? We're building Token Metrics and the grading system from the ground up to be fully automated, to take advantage of everything we have. Because one of the biggest questions we kept on getting when we launched Token Metrics was, grades still scoring, right? We want new tokens to be graded very quickly. And with this platform now, we can now fully automate that and grade cryptocurrencies in real time. Because currently we have about 300 cryptocurrencies in our platform, but with the quant grade being fully automated, we can now expand to over 3,000 and possibly even over 6,000. It's really just about storage. So imagine having us ingest every single coin on CoinGecko, on CoinMarketCap, scanning it with our AI and telling you in real time, is this bullish, is this bearish? That's the holy grail of crypto. Yeah, that's what our spreadsheet was doing back in the early day. That's what we're doing with the new Token Metrics. But now we've been able to fully automate that process. And this is going to change everything, because now you can relax, because you don't have to go through and really scour the entire web or Telegram groups trying to find those projects. If they're moving, if those projects are on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, we will find those projects and we'll tell you which ones are going to do well in real time. This is a game changer. And comment down below what part you're most excited about for the new launch of the Quant Grade. We want to see what our community has to say. So tell us what you think down below.